Today we are covering GTIN and MPN errors in a Shopify product feed. If you run a Shopify store or manage a website, this matters because Shopify GTIN errors is not just a checklist item. It affects whether products and pages are clear to Google, shoppers, and Google Merchant Center. The common problem is that store owners fix one page at a time, then the catalog changes again. OptimizerShop treats SEO as a recurring workflow. Scan, prioritize, prepare the fix, approve it, and repeat. For this topic, start by looking for the highest impact gap. That might be missing metadata, weak product titles, image alt text, schema issues, internal link gaps, or Google Merchant Center attributes. Then package the fix so it is easy to review. A good task should explain what changed, why it matters, where it should be published, and how to verify it after publishing. OptimizerShop helps automate that weekly loop so you are not rebuilding the same SEO checklist from scratch every time. Quick update before you go. We just shipped Google Merchant Center Compliance Bot in OptimizerShop. It scans your product feed for missing attributes and disapproval risks and prepares the fixes for you automatically. Learn about Google Merchant Center fixes at https://www.optimizershop.com/google-merchant-center. Best for stores dealing with product feed errors, disapprovals, and missing attributes. Subscribe to at OptimizerShop for more practical Shopify SEO and website optimization walkthroughs in a few minutes.